Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at the Honda Street 1300 police bike, a motorcycle that's been designed specifically for law enforcement agencies around the world. The SANE 1300 is a high-performance bike that combines exceptional power, handling, and safety features, making it an ideal choice for police officers. As we take a walk around the bike, you'll notice the SANE 1300's sleek and aerodynamic design, with its fairings and windscreen designed to reduce wind buffeting and improve rider comfort. The bike also features a range of police-specific accessories, including emergency lights, sirens, and communication equipment. Now, let's take a look at the interior. The SANE 1300's cockpit is designed to be functional and easy to use, with a range of instruments and controls that are designed to be intuitive and easy to operate. The bike also features a range of storage compartments and accessories, including a glove box and a USB charging port. 10-4, dispatch, we have a code 3 in progress. That's the kind of situation where the SANE 1300's exceptional performance and handling come into play. With its powerful 1261cc V4 engine, this bike can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. But what really sets the SANE 1300 apart is its ability to respond to emergency situations. All units, be advised, we have a high-speed pursuit in progress. In situations like this, the SANE 1300's advanced safety features, including anti-lock brakes and traction control, can be the difference between life and death. In terms of handling, the ST 1300 is incredibly agile and responsive, thanks to its lightweight aluminum frame and advanced suspension system. The bike is also designed to be comfortable and easy to ride, with a range of ergonomic features that reduce fatigue and improve rider comfort. So, how much will this bike set you back? The Honda Street 1300 police bike is priced around $15,000, although prices may vary depending on the specific configuration and accessories. Overall, I'm incredibly impressed with the Honda Street 1300 police bike. This bike is a true performer, with exceptional power, handling, and safety features that make it an ideal choice for law enforcement agencies around the world. And if you're a police officer or a motorcycle enthusiast, the ST 1300 is definitely worth checking out. With its exceptional performance, advanced safety features, and police-specific accessories, this bike is a true leader in its class. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.